You mentioned about the homeowner mitigating or the insurance company mitigating the losses. What responsibilities that put on us as homeowners to help offset this particular water damage claim?
Right. Well, thank you for asking, because that is super important. And any homeowner that we talk to nowadays, um, we we let them know. Obviously, they either know that they have the coverage for water damage or they don't. But if you have coverage, you want to make sure that that you are going to prevent. You have a prevention program in place to prevent those claims, so you do not get canceled. It's just like going to the doctor and getting your wellness checkup. Well, you need to do that with your house too, once a
Mm,
year. Have your plumbing checked, have your roof checked, and other systems in your house. But what we are recommending in order to mitigate losses with water damage is installing a automatic water shut off system, which most plumbers nowadays offer. And it really can be a lifesaver. Your insurance claims, having to deal with a claim, it will automatically shut off your water. If it detects a leak, you get notified via your cell phone or whatever form of communication you have set up with that company.